Hello students, today we are beginning with another chapter, that is Albert Einstein at School, and the author is Patrick Pringle. Pringle, who has been a science teacher, a freelance writer, was also the editor of famous magazine on nature and science. He has also been listed as a notable writer by Marquis Who's Who. Let us know something about the main character of this chapter, that is Einstein. He was born in 1879 and was the greatest theory physicist after Newton. We all know the theory of relativity. That was his main contribution to physics, which brought a huge revolution in the field of physics. He is also considered as the father of modern physics. He has worked as a professor and has played a major role in making the atom bomb. He received the Nobel Prize in Physics for his services to theoretical physics and especially for his discovery of the law of the photoelectric effect in 1921. Now let us know what is there in the story. The story centers around one of the brightest minds, that is Albert Einstein, and the setting is from his childhood days when he lived in Germany, and there are characters like his cousin and his friend, and there are two teachers of which we'll talk later on. Now what happens is that Albert Einstein does not like the education he's receiving at his school, because he believes that learning facts is not education. He is not interested in learning as to what happened when. He is more interested in how things happened. And so he says that it is not facts that matter but ideas. He didn't like studies, hated his school life, didn't like the place where he lived, and he just wanted to escape from everything. This lesson is an extract, is a part of the biography of Einstein, and the name of the biography was The Young Einstein by Patrick Pringle. The main characters in this story are Albert Einstein, who plays the key role. Mr. Braun is his history teacher. Yuri is his friend who helps him in bad times. Dr. Ernest Whale is a neurospecialist. Mr. Koch is a mathematics teacher, and another contributory role played by his cousin sister Elsa. In this lesson, the author familiarizes the reader with those years in Einstein's life where he was struggling each day in the school. And as each day passed, the school diploma, the certificate that he would get after finishing his schooling, the diploma that he would get felt like a far-fetched dream because he was not doing well at school. It throws light upon a few encounters with his teacher, especially his history teacher, what he felt about the neighborhood he lived in, and how he had only one good friend, Yuri. The way Albert strategizes to get out of the miserable place that is his school, and how things turned around in the end, makes the story very, very interesting. It's his maths teacher who supports him and knows what kind of caliber Albert Einstein has. He even feels that he is not fit to remain in school. In fact, he should study at some university at his age. And we all know that at the age of 17 years, Albert Einstein was showered with all sort of certificates for his maths and science. So finally he leaves the school and how he becomes great physicist is all in the story. We will read the chapter in the next class. Till then, take care.